Dear student, this is Uttam De, PGT Commerce from JNB Hailakandi, Assam. Today we will know about the cash flow statement. This cash flow statement is last chapter of your syllabus. This chapter contains 13 marks for your final exam. 6 marks in practical, 6 mark big question of 6 marks in board exam, 1 mark very short question you will find in the final exam. So it's very important chapter where we will get 13 out of 100. So my dear student, today we will know what is cash flow statement. In our family, all of you know that in every house or in every family, cash is generated daily or weekly or monthly, and these cash are utilized to maintain our day-to-day life, and some portion used in investment for future purpose or in fixed asset और for future of the children. ये तो हमारे आम बात है. कैश हम लोग जानते हैं कि ये करेंसी है, ओनली करेंसी, but it is not so. We will understand today the cash, term of cash under accounting standard 3 revised and cash equivalents. हमारे घर में कैश आते हैं, कैश को यूज करते हैं, तो ये तो कॉमन कुछ हमारे पास नॉलेज है कैश करेंसी के रूप में, बट फ्रॉम अकाउंटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू वी विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज दिस. Similarly, in business, cash generated from many sources, and these cash are used in many purposes to make the payment in respect of salary purpose of worker, making payment to the supplier. So cash are used like our family. So very important aspects. Business should manage it efficiently and effectively. My dear student, we know about cash book. It's unable to show that specifically what does the cash generated from cash, what does the cash generate from operating, from investing, and from other there is financing. It's failed to show categorically. So we have also seen the other statement, that is income statement, nothing but financial statement. It is prepared at the end of the period to measure the financial performance for a particular period. It also fails. It fails to show the categorically the cash inflow and outflow. It covering both cash and non-cash. Because also saying the balance sheet. We also prepared the company balance sheet and the sole trading balance sheet, where we see only one element is showing cash and cash equivalent under current assets. This information we can see in last year, suppose 10 lakh, in current year, at the end of the current year it maybe shows 12 lakh. So this difference we can know only this 2 lakh generated in this period, but it is not in detail. So this is not also sufficient to know about the cash inflow and outflow. This analysis, this cash analysis, why it is important. Creditor is supplying goods or supplying money. They want to know whether मेरे बिजनेस में कुछ क्षमता है, एबिलिटी है कि वापस करने का टाइम टू टाइम, पीरियडिकल पेमेंट कैन बी मेड और नहीं है. सो दिस बिजनेस का एबिलिटी टू जनरेट हम सफिशिएंट कैश हैविंग और नॉट, it can be known by analyzing the cash element. क्या बिजनेस अपना पास अपने बलबूते पे वो पेमेंट कर सकती है कैश, ये शॉर्ट टर्म डेट्स और रेगुलर बेसिस पे जो देना है. कोई फाइनेंसिंग की पैसा की जरूरत है बिजनेस का या नहीं है, कितना पैसा आया शेयर इश्यू करके या कितना पैसा यूज हुआ डिविडेंड के पेमेंट के टाइम, स्पेसिफिकली वी कैन नो फ्रॉम दिस एनालिसिस. इवन प्रोडक्टिवली यूज्ड फंड और सक्सेसफुली यूज्ड फंड इन इन्वेस्टमेंट फिक्स्ड एसेट्स और नॉट, दिस ऑल्सो कैन बी नो और कैन बी चार्ज बाय प्रिपेयरिंग द कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट और बाय एनालाइजिंग द कैश एलिमेंट. Now let us know what is cash flow statement. My dear students, it's also mandatory to prepare cash flow statement for listed company in the stock market. Those company listed in the stock market, they have to prepare this statement mandatory. So let us know what is cash flow statement. It's a statement which showing the flow of cash and cash equivalents during a particular period. During 12 months, clearly, categorically is showing cash and cash. Now let us know what is cash. What is cash equivalent? There are two terms, cash and cash equivalent. Flow means inflow and outflow. Cash and cash equivalent, there are two terms covering under cash. So cash means cash in hand and cash at bank. Generally you know, general people know, क्या जानते हैं कैश मतलब करेंसी, in form of currency, notes, but it is not so. Bank balance also cover under, also comes under cash. Another term is cash equivalent. Now cash equivalent is nothing but highly liquid assets, short term assets, current investment. The current investment life is maximum 3 months, or marketable securities which can be traded in the market. Quickly you can, this is nothing but elements which are readily available in the hand or readily available, can be converted into cash to meet the short term obligations. These two terms are very important, my dear, and both cash and cash equivalents are covered under this cash flow statement. My dear students, now why this statement? I told some extent earlier, again objective of cash flow statement. See, the first and foremost objective is to ascertain the sources of cash and cash equivalent under 3 activities. कहां से पैसा आया, कौन सा एक्टिविटी से पैसा आया, कितना पैसा कौन सा एक्टिविटी में लगा, there is ascertainment of application of cash and cash equivalent. Now there are 3 activities. Accounting standard 3 revised suggests the business activities are to be classified into 3 activities. One is operating activities, investing and financing activities. So operating activities में कितना पैसा आया, कितना पैसा कैश यूज हुआ, this information cannot be provided by financial statement, that is profit and loss account, balance sheet and cash book. So management require summary of cash inflow from operating activities and cash outflow and net cash used or generated from operating. This information can be collected from cash flow statement. These two important objectives are there. We can know from cash flow statement. This is the main objective. This we have discussed what is cash equivalent, what is the cash flow statement, and importance of cash flow statement. The meaning of cash means not only currency. It shows cash means cash in hand, cash at bank, and cash equivalents, nothing but highly liquid investment or current investment, or you can say marketable securities. Their life is maximum 3 months, which can be converted into cash very easily. Suppose मेरे पास रिलायंस कंपनी का शेयर्स है, अभी पैसा मुझे जरूरत है, I can sell in the stock market very quickly by clicking the button. Am I clear? So these are the securities help us to generate cash, or you can say cash equivalent. Both are comes under cash flow statement. This cash term is considered these two at a time. And flow means inflow and outflow, showing in this statement. My dear student, hope all of you have understood, and I hope you can prepare the meanings of cash flow statement, the meaning of cash and cash equivalent, and you can also see the importance of the cash flow statement in our practical life. With this one, thank you very much.